Hello. Good evening.
Good evening, Mara.
Hi, Mrs. Chen. How are you?
How are you? Long time no see.
Yeah, long time no see.
Wow.
How are you, Mrs. Chen?
Hmm. I'm fine.
You're fine. Are you busy?
Um, Today?
No. Uh, uh, in in a few days. Last few days.
Ah. Um. mm, Uh. I'm take a break.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Uh. 어. 어떻게 해야 되지? I'm take a break.
You're taking a break.
Okay.
Did you go somewhere?
Huh? Okay. Huh?
Did you go somewhere?
Uh. Did you go somewhere? Um. I don't understand.
You don't understand. Okay, let me share my screen. Okay, Mrs. Chen, can you see my screen now?
Um, okay.
Okay, so, wait, let me, uh, uh, did you go somewhere?
Ah, ah, oh, before the week,
Mm-hmm.
okay. Before the week, I'm going to Kimcheon.
You went to Kimcheon?
Kimcheon.
Can you say this one? I went to Kimcheon.
Okay,
So you went to Kimcheon
okay. At 1 week.
for 1 week.
Okay,
That's good.
okay.
Mm, good
Now,
thing.
now I'm at home is now.
I see. Good thing you had a break, Mrs. Chen.
Okay. Okay. Ah, thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. Okay. What about today? What did you do today?
What did you say?
What
오늘 뭐
did you do
음,
today?
say? What did you say? 음, 휴식. I'm sleep,
Mm-hmm.
watching the TV,
Mm-hmm.
um, mm, and eat.
Uh-huh. That's all?
Okay,
You just sleep, watch TV, and eat.
okay, sleep.
Wow. You're having a good day today.
You're having a good day. Okay,
Yes. Oh, that's nice. Uh,
okay.
when are you when are you going back to work?
Ah, um, mm, I'm going to take a break in December.
I see. S-
Okay.
So in January you will work again?
Okay, okay.
I see. Okay. So what else are
Hmm?
your plans?
Mm. Ah. Mm. Um, just move on.
Okay, sure.
Okay. Um, I'm going to go why?
You're going to Hawaii?
Why? Why?
Why?
Um, While.
W
H
H
I L
I
E.
Ah, while?
While.
I don't understand. I'm sorry.
Um, I'm going to take a break.
For a while.
Okay.
I see. So you're going to take a break for a while.
Okay. While.
Okay. So, um, do you do you have plans during your break?
Hmm. Ah. Hmm. No. No plan.
No plans?
No plans.
Just staying home.
Okay.
Okay, that's nice, Mrs. Chan.
Okay. Just just stay home and my family is together uh,
Mm-hmm.
at time in time
Mm-hmm.
what and at time in time
In time.
in time okay.
Ah,
Hmm.
what about your daughter?
Excuse me 다시.
Your daughter.
Okay, my daughter.
How about her?
Hmm.
Does she have a break too?
Hmm. She is going to uh uh Yangon
Oh,
who's match.
golf. She has a match?
Okay.
Oh, really? What
Okay.
about your husband?
Ah, my husband my husband is now work
He's working now.
working now. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Is working now. Okay.
Okay. So, that means
Hmm.
that means you're the only one having a break, huh?
Okay.
I see. Oh, okay, okay. I got it.
uh, 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 this home is
Uh-huh.
only one.
Oh, okay. You're not lonely?
Okay.
Are you lonely there?
Okay. Only there.
Are you lonely?
Okay. No, no, no,
Uh,
no.
it's
I,
okay.
I'm not lonely.
You're not lonely. Okay.
I'm
Uh,
happy. I'm
you're
happy.
ha
I'm I'm this time is happy. This now is now.
I see. That's good. Okay. So, Mrs. Chen, what about last weekend? What did you do last weekend?
Last weekend.
Yes.
Um, I'm no plan.
You didn't do,
Hmm.
can you say this one?
Hmm. I
This one?
didn't do anything. last weekend.
Yeah.
Uh, um, uh, I'm last weekend I'm working.
Working.
Okay,
Ah,
in Kimcheon.
Kimchon. You were in Kimchon last weekend.
Okay,
What about this weekend?
okay.
This weekend.
This weekend,
Yeah.
weekend. This weekend I'm playing tennis.
Really?
Uh, I'm promise. Um, I promise my
Mm-hmm.
group, my friend group playing the tennis.
Like, for fun?
Okay,
So for fun.
okay.
I see. Oh, okay, that's nice, Mrs. Chen. Anyway, Mrs. Chen, have you eaten your dinner?
No, no, no.
Why
I-
not?
I'm dinner is not because my husband
Uh,
can go coming. My husband is coming town time 10.
Ah, so your husband is coming home at 10.
Okay.
Are you hungry now?
Um, a little.
A little? Oh no. What are you going to eat for dinner?
Uh, today is dinner. 제육볶음.
Jiyupbukum?
Okay.
What's that? Is it a soup or?
Uh, just one.
Mhm.
제육볶음 is 삼겹살
Samgyeopsal.
and kimchi
Uh-huh.
and mix.
Oh, that's so good. So
Okay.
kimchi and samgyeopsal,
And mix.
they mix together.
Okay, okay.
Wow, that's so good. Oh,
My my husband is
mm-hmm.
favorite food.
Food? Okay. What about you? What's your favorite food, Mrs. Chen?
My
Yeah.
my favorite food king crab.
A king crab. Oh.
Very busy.
Uh, when was the last time you ate a king crab?
Mm, um, mm, 5 years.
That's a pretty long time. Uh, why
Because
don't, huh?
because busy and
Uh-huh.
Korea is not king crab
Mm-hmm.
only Korea is 강릉 sea sea country.
Uh, ah, like you're far from the ocean.
Okay, okay. Ocean country.
Uh-huh.
Okay, only ocean country. Um, is there not ocean country?
But you have like Busan.
Okay, Busan.
Yeah, there's a king crab in Busan, right?
Okay, Busan, right? And 강릉.
Gangneung?
Okay.
Okay. So are you planning to eat that to reward yourself?
Mm,
Huh?
okay.
Yeah, okay. That's a good one, Mrs. Chan.
Oh,
Reward
uh,
yourself some time too.
mm.
Because
Thank you.
you work
Mm.
so hard.
Oh, oh my God. Thank you, Mara.
Yeah, you're welcome. So I think you deserve a reward for yourself.
Is your reward? Thank you, Mara.
You're welcome, Mrs. Chen.
Ah, king crab in Korea is king crab is
Mm-hmm.
very, very busy.
Uh-huh.
Hmm. 200 won.
Oh, that's so expensive.
Okay,
Uh,
expensive.
ah, yeah. Just eat you, only you.
But um, mm, I'm favorite
Uh-huh.
my husband and daughter
Uh-huh.
favorite only 삼겹살.
Only samgyeopsal. But you is king crab. Oh, wow. Very
Only favorite,
expensive.
okay, only favorite king crab.
Ah, yeah, just one time. Eat king crab.
Mara,
Okay. What is it, Mrs. Chan?
음, Mara, 그 필리핀,
Hmm.
필리핀, how's the weather?
Oh, it's very bad. Um, there's another
Hmm,
typhoon coming
hmm,
up.
typhoon. Ah, my
Yeah.
husband coming home.
Oh, yes.
Hello,
Oh.
hello.
Oh, hi.
Hi. Ay,
Nice
잠깐만.
meeting you.
He's shiny.
Oh, he's oh, Mrs. Chen, do you want to eat dinner?
Okay, okay.
I mean, do you want to eat dinner now?
Mm, no, no, no.
Ah, it's okay to have 1 hour.
Okay.
I,
My husband is now shower.
uh-huh.
Okay.
So you will wait for him.
Okay.
Okay. So 1 hour is good.
Today is 1 hour. Good. Okay.
Yeah, okay, 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 Mrs. Chan. All
Okay.
right. Do you have any questions, Mrs. Chan, before going to your book?
Okay.
No
Good.
questions?
Mm,
No, no questions?
okay. No
I
question.
see. 알았어. Okay. So now let's go here, Mrs. Chan. Check up. Okay. So let's have this is on page 13, please.
13.
13.
Okay.
Okay. Now, Mrs. Chan, look at the word, then circle the word
Mm,
or phrase with opposite meaning.
opposite meaning.
Do you know what's opposite?
Mm, no, no.
No.
Opposite?
Yeah,
No.
opposite.
Okay. No, no.
Circle the opposite meaning.
아, opposite.
Yeah.
반대. 오케이.
Okay.
음,
So, for example, let's have number one. Can you read number one?
음, thin,
Yeah. What's the opposite meaning of thin? Yeah, thin.
thin.
Mm-hmm.
오케이.
Yeah.
thin. 오케이. 어, 영어, funny, no, long. thick,
Good. It's thick.
thick,
Mm-hmm. Thick.
thick, thick.
Thin.
오케이. 음,
Thick.
Quick. Mm.
Number
Mm.
two. Read what's number two?
Uh, catch.
Okay, catch.
Catch. So, right. So, let go.
That's right. Let go.
Go. Let
Yeah,
go.
let go.
Let go. Okay.
Number
Mm.
three, please.
Mm. Country. Country. Opposite city.
Okay,
Okay.
city.
Okay. Mm.
Number four.
Alone. Alone. Opposite together.
Good job.
Okay.
Number five.
Okay. Core. Core. No say. Not say.
Not say. Okay.
Okay.
All right. That's good, Mrs. Chen. Now we have here. Now match the words with the
Hmm?
correct definition.
Definition.
Yeah. Do you know what's definition? Uh,
The
match
definition.
the word
Hmm?
with the correct
Correct.
definitions.
Definition. The definition is means.
Meaning.
Hmm. Definition. Correct. 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 Choice.
Yeah. Correct definition.
Correct.
Mm-hmm.
Uh,
Yeah.
definition. Again. Definition. Mm-mm. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay. Definition meaning.
Mm-mm. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Number one.
Mm. Able.
Mm-hmm.
Able. 어, to come to be는 become. animal, like, the part of the sentence made up of letters. Able. B. Having the ability to do something.
Okay. That's having ability to do something.
Ability to do something.
Okay. Number two, please.
Monkey. Monkey. Uh, an animal take likes to swing from trees.
Okay. Nice.
Become.
Okay.
To come to be.
Okay. To come to be.
To come to be. Animal. A dog, for example.
Okay. Number five.
Were a part of a sentence made up of letter.
Okay. Word.
Okay.
Good job, Mrs. Chan. Now we have, okay, so you got 100% here. Nice one. Okay.
Good
Yeah, nice one.
teacher.
Thank you. Okay. Now we have here 14.
14.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now we have words. Then
Okay.
write the meaning. Okay, this time write the meanings in your own language.
Wrong language. Okay.
Okay. Now
Hmm?
let's have baby.
Baby. Baby. The baby cries a lot.
Okay. Now write in your book, Mrs. Chan.
Okay.
Write the meaning.
Or
The
many.
meaning. The meaning in your own language. in your book.
Oh, write the meaning in your. Mm,
So, for example, a very young child.
hmm. Sentence.
Yeah, no. Uh, write the meaning in your own
Ah,
language in your book.
Korean
Yeah,
mean
yeah, yeah.
아기.
Agi.
Okay,
Okay.
애기,
I,
애기.
okay. Number 32. Let's read.
Hmm? That's true. Clean, clean.
Meaning.
Um, clean.
Yeah. What's clean mean, Mrs. Chen?
청소.
Yeah, okay. Now let's read the meaning. To remove.
Korean meaning.
This one. Read first.
Read. Clean.
To remove dirt.
She cleaned the floor.
Okay. What about clean in Korean?
Cleans the floor.
In Korean.
Korean
Mm-hmm.
청소,
종,
청소.
종소. Okay.
소.
This one.
음, 청소.
33.
Three, eat.
Okay. Can you read this one? Please,
음,
the meaning.
eat. Korean's meaning 먹다,
먹다,
먹다.
먹자,
어, 먹,
먹, 네.
da,
아,
먹다,
먹자,
다.
먹자.
오케이.
Like mukbang.
먹방, 오케이.
Okay, okay. So,
오케이.
can you read the sentence, please?
The students eat lunch.
Okay. Number
Hmm?
34.
Refer, enjoy.
What's
Enjoy,
enjoy?
Korean mean,
Mm-hmm.
Korean mean, enjoy. 음, enjoy is Korean meaning 즐기다, 어, 즐거운.
Okay. So let's read.
음, She enjoys art class.
Okay, that's good. This one,
음,
please.
어, certified
Uh-huh.
family.
What's family in Korean, Mrs. Chen?
Family is Korean 가족,
가족,
가족 or 식구.
식구.
식-
Ooh. Okay. So,
식구. English a lot and or many
uh-huh.
가족 or 식구.
So there are two.
Okay,
Okay, okay. Can you read this one?
like 36
Okay.
fruit,
Okay.
fruit. She eats fruit every day. Fruit is Korean meaning 과일,
While.
과일,
과일.
일,
과일.
일.
Mm.
I L
L.
일.
과일.
오케이.
과일. I
일.
see.
오케이.
일. Okay.
일.
과일.
오케이. fruit is
일.
과일.
I see.
음.
Okay. What about number 37?
37 jump.
Can you read the
Jump. They jump into the water.
what's
Jump.
jump is
Korean means 뛰다, 뛰다,
twida?
뛰다,
Twi?
뛰. D, 뛰.
Twida.
어, 뛰다.
Twi? Okay. Okay, okay. Okay. So let's just have
음,
sorry. I cannot pronounce Korean well.
Uh, mm, U D D.
Twida.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay.
Twida. I see.
T.
Twida.
Uh, T T H
Tida.
T. Fish.
T.
Fish.
Tida.
Okay. Thrida. Okay.
Trida.
Thrida.
Trida.
Okay, okay.
Ah, okay. Tida.
Jump,
Ah,
jump, thrida.
I see. Okay. Now let's have here 38.
38. Kind.
What's kind in Korean?
Uh, kind. 종류, 종류.
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 종류. 유. 종류.
유. Okay. RYU.
종,
종류.
종류.
Okay,
류.
okay. Okay.
Okay. I
종류.
see.
Kind.
Kind. Okay. Let's
Kind.
read.
Okay. Um, there are many kinds of apple. Okay.
Okay. Let's have
Mm,
man.
man. 남자.
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 I see.
woman.
Okay.
여자.
여자.
Okay. woman.
남자. 여자.
Okay, okay.
알았어.
Mm.
Okay. Can you read this one, please?
Parent.
No, the
Parent.
sentence. The sentence. The man.
Um, their parents are nice. parents. 부모님.
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 음,
아, 부모님.
오케이. 어, 부, 부 is father.
아,
모
모.
is mother.
아, 부 is father, 모 is mom.
Mother, 님, sir. 부모님.
부모님.
오케이.
What's 님?
님, 님 is, 님 is, 어, teacher, 어, teacher is called sir, teacher,
아,
teacher,
아,
sir.
님.
Okay.
Okay, so that's why.
Mm.
Parents. Okay, Mrs. Chan. Thank you. A little bit hard in Korean words, but
Okay,
yeah.
okay.
Okay,
Mm.
now this time let's complete the sentences with the
Okay.
correct words from the box.
From the box. Correct word from the box. Okay.
Okay, so we have clean, man, fruit,
Food,
family, and jump.
family. Family. Okay, jump.
Okay, so let's complete number one, Mrs. Chen, please.
Mm. I hope their house today. Clean. I
Okay,
hope they clean their house today.
okay, number two.
Two, he eats a lot of fruit.
Okay,
Oh,
nice.
okay. Mm. The big is strong. The big man is strong.
The
The big man is strong.
okay, the big man is strong. Okay,
Okay.
number um four.
Or Brian's family worries about him.
Okay,
Worries, worries,
worries.
worries,
Yeah, worries.
worries about him. Ah, do not on the bed. Do not jump on the bed.
Okay, do not jump on the bed.
Ah,
Okay.
do not jump on the bed.
Now, this time, Mrs. Chen, use
Okay,
the hints and the words in the box to complete the puzzle.
okay.
Okay, so let's have
Mm.
across number three, a person who has a child. What's that?
A person who has a child. Uh, the person who, parents.
Okay, parent.
Parents.
Number four.
For, for, to have fun doing. Enjoy.
Okay, enjoy.
Enjoy.
So let's go down.
It down.
Number one.
Ah, at, across.
Yeah,
Ah,
that's across. Now this
across,
time, let's go
across,
down. Yeah,
down.
across. Like
Okay.
across.
Across. Okay. One,
Yes, please.
a type or thing. A type or thing. Kind.
Okay, kind.
Mm, type. Okay.
Number two.
Two. Um, hint A, Y. A very young child. Baby.
Baby. Oh, yes. Baby. That's very simple.
Okay. Hint
Number,
A, Y.
yes. Number
Okay.
four.
Four. To put food in the mouth. Okay. Eat.
Okay, that's it.
Okay.
Very simple.
Okay.
Okay.
Good teacher.
Yes, good job, Mrs. Chen. Okay, now this time, let's read, practice reading, okay?
Okay.
Um, so, okay. Now I want you to read. Can you
Hmm?
read the title first, please?
Okay. I'm read. I'm
Yeah,
reading.
please. Yeah,
Okay. Monkeys live in groups. They do not live alone. Some families live in trees. The parents help the babies. They enjoy
finding.
finding. They enjoy finding fruit to eat. They clean their fur.
Fur,
Fur.
fur,
Fur. Huh?
fur.
Fur.
Yeah,
Fur. Ah. They clean their fur. They call each other with loud sounds. Monkeys are hard to catch. They can run and jump. Some kinds of monkeys have long thin tails. Tail?
yes, tails.
Tail?
No, like this one, tails.
Tail.
Yeah,
Okay. Okay, tail. Um, their tail are able to hold things. Their long arms and tails help them move quickly. Monkeys are funny animals. They show they show their teeth teeth.
yeah, yeah,
Okay,
teeth.
okay. Their teeth.
Yeah, teeth.
Yeah, teeth. Okay. They show their teeth when they become angry. Angry teeth.
Yeah.
But but watch out, they are not smiling.
Okay.
Hmm?
So, do you understand, Mrs. Chan?
On a little.
A little. What words you don't understand?
Yes, family within three. The parents of the cat in the found is there four.
Fur.
They clean their fur.
Ah, fur. Like,
I'm not understand. Ah,
yeah, fur.
oh,
Yeah. Fur.
아, 음, 저기, Korea is now winter,
Uh-huh.
uh, fall cold.
Ah, so you wear fur jackets.
Okay, fall jacket. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, okay. That's
Fall.
good.
Okay, fall.
Fur.
Okay. Ah, hmm. Their call is shared with loud sound.
Yeah, loud.
Loud. Hmm. Monkeys are hard to catch. Hard to catch?
Yeah. Monkeys. Okay. Monkeys are hard to catch.
아, 오케이. monkeys hard,
Yeah.
catch.
Yeah,
아,
catch.
okay. They can run and jump. Okay. Some kinds of monkey have long, long,
Yeah, long.
long. Okay.
Long, thin tails.
Okay. Ah, long, thin tails.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Their tails are able to hold, 이렇게 해서 이렇게 갖는다고, thing. Their long arm and tail help them move quickly. Okay. Monkey are funny animals. They show their this when they become angry.
Yeah, they
Teeth.
show your teeth like,
Okay. But watch out. They are not smiling. Not smiling?
yeah, when they're do like this one,
응.
yeah, they're not smiling, but they're angry, angry.
아,
So you have to watch out. They're not smiling.
아, monkey is this,
Yeah, they show their teeth when they are
not,
angry.
아, not smiling.
Yeah, so be
Understood.
careful.
Okay,
Okay, so what about now? Do you understand, Mrs. Chan?
okay,
Yeah, okay. Do you have
mm,
any questions?
okay,
The words. Do you understand the words now?
mm,
Do you understand the words?
okay,
Okay.
mm,
Okay, so let's have here. Now, I want you to circle
okay,
T
so,
for true or F for false.
okay,
Okay. Number one, Mrs. Chen.
mm,
Monkeys do not live with their families. Is it true or false?
false,
False. Okay. Some monkeys can hold things with their tails.
true,
True. Okay.
okay,
Fill in the blanks to complete the summary of the reading. So we have
reading,
here. Okay.
mm, monkeys live with their uh, monkeys with their
Okay.
fam-
Families.
families. Mm. Some live in trees. Monkey eat fruit. Mm. They can run and jump. They use their own arms and tail to move. When monkeys become angry, you can see their teeth.
Okay. Wait, yeah.
We can when monkey become
Yeah, become.
hmm,
When monkeys become, oh, sorry, become angry, you can see their teeth.
hmm.
Like they do like this one.
This become is what you mean?
Uh, become. To be.
Become. Ah.
So
Two.
they become like this. They show their teeth when they become angry, like
Ah,
this one.
oh, okay, okay.
So they are not smiling, but they are angry.
Ah, okay, okay.
Okay, so yeah. When monkeys become angry, you can see their teeth.
Okay. Mara,
What is it, Mrs. Chen?
uh, become is, please, another sentence.
Ah, become. For example,
Okay.
uh, I become. I become. Uh, what do you call that? Umpire when I was a teenager,
Mm. Ah,
or uh, or for past tense is became. So
became.
yeah, past tense became.
Okay.
So
Mm.
I became an umpire when I was a teenager.
Mm. Became.
Yeah, past
Oh,
tense became
oh.
because
Before became is
mhm,
now become.
yeah,
Ah.
yeah, past
Okay.
tense
Okay.
of become is
Mm.
became.
Mm. Ah. Become. Okay. Okay. Become. Okay. Okay. Become. Um. Become. Become. Okay. Okay. Mm. I came on okay when I was a teenager. Okay. Past tense. Past tense. 과거. Past tense. Okay.
So we have another example of become.
Mhm.
So we will use become. She wants to become a teacher.
음, 아, 아, 뭐뭐가 되는 거. 그러면은, 음, 어, 오케이, 오케이.
Okay, so
I understood.
do you understand now, Mrs. Chen?
응,
Okay, what else? What other
음,
words that you want to make a sentence?
음, 어, no, no, no. I understand.
You understand all of them?
응,
Okay?
okay,
All right. So, Mrs. Chen, I will ask you questions, okay?
okay.
Okay, so can you tell me, Mrs. Chen, where do monkey usually live?
어, 다시, again.
Where do
음,
monkeys usually live?
tree.
Okay, they live in the
Okay,
tree.
okay.
Okay. What do monkey parents
음,
do to take care of their babies?
아, 케이크, 베이비스? 잠깐만.
Okay.
The parents help the babies. 아, 아, 음, 다시 한번. Your question again.
Okay. What do monkey parents do to take care of their babies?
아, enjoy finding fruit to eat.
Okay.
Mm.
And they clean
They
their fur.
clean their fur.
That's right. And also
Okay.
they clean their fur. Okay.
Uh,
So Mrs. Chen, how do monkeys use their arms and tails?
Armchairs.
Yeah. How
Their,
do
their,
monkeys use?
uh, their arm and tail. Okay. They are able to hold things.
Okay, yes, they able to hold things.
Hold
Okay.
things. Able
Okay.
to hold things. Okay.
Yeah, okay. How do monkeys look like when they are angry?
Uh, to uh show their teeth.
Yes, they show their teeth. Okay. Um, what about you, Mrs. Chen? Why do you think, why do you think monkeys communicate with loud sounds?
Uh,
All right.
monkey.
So why do you think
Uh, uh,
monkeys
mm.
communicate with loud sounds?
Loud sounds and monkey's word.
What is it?
Uh, uh, 잠깐만.
알았어.
음, the ra- 어? I say 잠깐만. My husband no, just one.
Ah, okay.
Sorry. 미안해요. why you say
잠깐만.
잠깐만? 음, oh, you say just a moment.
Okay, yeah, just a moment.
okay. 음, 어, 아, I think monkey is loud sounds is monkey's words, I think.
What do you say, Mrs. Chen?
Um, monkey's loud sounds.
Yeah, why do they use loud sounds?
Mm, monkey's loud sounds. I think. I think.
Hmm.
Um. Mm, there. There's words.
Their words.
Okay.
Ah, so you think loud sounds are their words?
Okay.
Ah, okay, yeah, that could be. That makes sense, Mrs. Chan. All right, so do you understand now the story?
okay. I understand.
Okay, so we still have, oh, 5 minutes. So we still have 5 minutes.
Hmm?
Okay.
Mm, Maroy,
What is it?
Mara story is today is finish. Okay.
Ah, it's okay.
Mm.
All right, so we're not going to finish in the 5 minutes. We
Oh,
have 5 minutes.
괜찮아.
Again, Chana, it's okay?
Okay.
알았어.
My 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 husband is dinner hungry.
He's angry. Hungry
Okay.
now. Okay, well, I think that's all. Thank you, Mrs. Chan.
Thank you.
Okay, so let's have a good night now, okay?
Okay, okay.
Okay, have a good night. Bye.
Okay, see you Thursday.
Yeah, see you on Thursday, Mrs. Chan.
Okay,
Bye
okay.
bye.
Bye bye, Mara.
Bye, good night.